Virtual apartment shoppers, what's going on? Evan Rugen, founder of RP Select, Bowery, BOI on Instagram. Today we're going to the Rivington Lofts. Very expansive, 4 beds, washer, dryer, dishwasher, tremendous living room. These units are gonna fly off the market. And I'm on a bike. All right, we're at the Rivington Lofts today, Ridge and Rivington. 4 bed, 2 bath. We immediately walk in to the right, go into the bathroom, water pressure, wash those hands. Fauci said, wash those hands. Good water pressure. Little closet there, skis, whatever you got, bags, good. I love exposed brick, it's my passion. There's Cassidy, he's cool. Slinging deals. Huge living area, tremendous. You can really put a couch anywhere because it's such a big space. Washer dryer, which is incredible. It's the one thing my apartment doesn't have. Bathroom number 2, wash those hands. Water pressure, cool. More exposed brick. 4 bedrooms, very, very cool. Some light in the common area. Bedroom number 1. It's a queen size. I'd suggest your full though. Closet. We're walking. More living room. Bedroom number 2, very large. You got that beam in there. Again, fits a queen. I'd suggest a full. Bedroom number 3. A lot of windows, very bright. Large closet. Bedroom number 4. It's a funky little window there. What's back there? I don't even remember. Oh, some outdoor space. Okay. I think one of you can spruce that up and make it real nice. That's for sure. Kitchen, which I didn't really highlight enough, but the kitchen is incredible. Stainless steel, huge range, a lot of cabinets. So, favorite thing about this apartment is the open loft-like feel, the exposed brick. You just don't see that enough anymore. 4 bed, 2 bath, 1 flight up, no broker fee. Lower East Side. I think this apartment's gonna fly off the market. Thanks for watching.